I love Cheetos. And they're easier to get through your helmet. I feel like I ate a whole chicken coop and half a pig. I'm turning in while I'm doing it. I'm almost done as soon as I chew this up. Finish both my plates.
I'm not going to be able to do it.
7 minutes, 29 seconds. Yeah, I did it. All gone.
And I cannot.
I beat the challenge. Are you tapping out?
Up.
I wanted to bring up words we use in the English language. Piece of cake. I don't know what to say about all these words. I mean, we've been using them for decades. I mean, ouch. Who came up with that one? You know? It's not rocket science. You know, I wonder sometimes who comes up with these idioms, whatever you want to call them, phrases. Shoot the breeze. That's another one. Break a leg. Ballpark figure for the birds. Behind the 8 ball. Monday morning quarterback. Don't cry over spilled milk. Put up your dukes. Jump on the bandwagon. Plead the fifth. I think I've used that one a lot. Go Dutch. That might not be so bad. Nosebleed section. We all know what that one is. It's all downhill from here. Not a big fan of that expression. Riding shotgun. Break a bill. John Hancock. Makes you wonder a lot of times where some of these catchphrases come from. The egg. Oh no, what did I do to myself? There it is. Oh, this is gonna be tough, guys. This ain't gonna be fun at all. Oh my goodness. A nice big raw egg just for the fun of it all. This is the part I dreaded the most. Here we go. I gotta get all set like Rocket Man here for this one. Here we go. Woof. After all that booze, help me. One raw egg, here we go. And then we hit the lemon. Here we go, guys. Oh, I dreaded that part. Now we suck on the lemons. 2/4 lemons. Not fun. Oh my God. Holy muck. That was bad. Woo. Lemons. Oh. Oh. That was awful. Holy macro. Probably easier just to put your face hole up to the cart and slide them right in.
Your face hole.
Put your face hole up there and just slide them right in.